Today, we have found a problem on the Smoky Mountain logging map. And it's this tree. Fortunately, this tree won't cut it down, I don't think. Because I tried. Look, what's it? This tree type's not supported, but we can get rid of it. We got our tractor over there, our Valtra T-Series. So we're going to use not the hustle of iron, the steel. I try to harvest grass as a combine because someone said that you can harvest grass as harvest the grass on here as a combine apparently. Now we can use hustle of iron. I didn't use hustle of iron in FS17 yet. I had 15 because you saw me on some time lapses with this chainsaw. So this chainsaw goes a long ways. Now let's use our trusty steel. The steel is a copy of this thing. I don't want to get in chainsaw this fashion. So you got our Valtra with the. Wait, did it reset? No, it didn't. I don't know why I jumped out of the tractor for. This may look weird, but this tractor is designed to do this. I know some of you guys are gonna say, is that a mod? No. Actually, none of you guys. You don't think I know my direction? I don't with this tractor, all this stuff. I just do it this way so everybody can remember anymore. Doesn't matter which one where you do it. The only thing it does on this game is make you go faster. So switching the seat around, it's just a feature. It's on the Buffalo too. It was on 15. I didn't show you guys because I didn't do forestry as much as I do now. I don't know if we can push it down Okay, we went to select the tractor. Watch this. Dunk! You know that seat don't turn. Be nice if it did. Now we need I hope I don't need to move my F-150. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna move it. You know, it has a ridiculous big huge trailer on it. Right here. I don't. You think an F-150 could pull that trailer in real life? Probably not. Maybe an F-450 dually. Where do you see 82 miles per hour Valtra? No, it's. I love these volatile stuff. If you guys don't, you should try to use it if you play FS17 on a console. I wouldn't use this stuff if it was like 3 cameras on this. We're just gonna push it down there. That's how we get rid of a tree on here. Now, how do you turn the tractor off? I hope that does not create lag by dropping the tree in the water. I can put this one in there. I don't want to deal with it. At least this is on. Oh, I don't even know how I get this tree out. I guess I could back the tractor in here one of these days. I mean, maybe it is rot. Maybe somebody. Look how far. Oh no, that's my Gold Host trailer at slot 1. Or is that 2? I think this is 1. You see, there's even a watchtower up there. See that watchtower up there? That little light, that brown thing? I haven't even been up there yet. And this is not even the Smoky Mountains either. Because he can get on that flat part up there. So I've done it. Well, we're just gonna grind stumps now. It's the first person for you guys. I don't know, I like the first person skid steer. It's not my favorite skid steer. It gets the job done. Because I will get a deer skid steer, that's a choice. But everyone knows John Deere's not in Farming Simulator yet. Because he ain't FS19. I'm hoping that John Deere will be in FS19. If it is, I'm gonna make a video straight away. I'll forget when this video is coming out to make me come out. Oh, I hate when phone rings. I need to get a microphone. I need to get the proper setup to make videos for you guys. So I can sit on my couch. And you won't, if the phone ever rings, you won't hear it. Once it goes through a microphone. Did I slip that? You gonna know some super strength powers? Oh, I can't do it. There, I can fall in the. If you guys don't know my trick, reverse person. I can't get that stump. Wait, if I was stuck on it for a second. Oops. I hate when you do that. So, welcome to episode 3. We're playing this map till maybe because we're gonna set up a farm, clear this area out. Because we're gonna, well, that tree will have to be taken care of. But we're on this entire side of the lake, and we're gonna build a farm up here with, with all these. Wrong button, always hit the wrong button. With all these placeable stuff, let's use all these placeables, not even the money mod. Fence, we use all these buildings here. Stuff. We use all that. As soon as the stumps grind, this can soon. this is going to be the end of the video. So please like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos on the Blind Lizard 54 channel.